Hey there, in this quick tip video we're going to create some attach points here in Blender and import them into Unreal as a static mesh with sockets. So the first thing that we want is a mesh. In this case I'm just going to use a cube for demonstration purposes. And then we need something as attach points. So here in Blender we're going to do Shift A and do empty, plain axis. And I'm just going to move this up so that we can see it. And I'm going to Shift D to duplicate it, just so we have a couple. Now, the next step will be to name our attach points. So in order for Unreal to see it as a socket, we have to name these specifically socket in uppercase as the prefix, and then whatever you want. So attach O1, and then for my other one, socket attach O2. Now that we have that, you don't have to do this, but I would recommend it if it's something that is supposed to be parented to your object. You can import the mesh without parenting these, but I suggest parenting them. So to parent this, we just shift and drag over our cube so that these are parented, and then what we want to do is select all three of our items, the cube and the two attach points. Then from here, we're going to go to File, Export, FBX Export, and I'm going to just overwrite my QuickTip sockets cube. You want to make sure that selected objects is set, and for Unreal, we've got Y forward and Z up, and then just turn off your baked animation, and all of the other settings will be standard. So I will hit Export, and then I will come over here to Unreal, and we do Import, and we'll do my QuickTip sockets. And for this, really the only things that I have differently here is I don't have convert scene because I've already set the Y forward Z up, and then I am searching for sorry, I do not create new materials, and I won't import anything here. So I'll hit import, and that'll bring in my cube, and if I open up the static mesh viewer, you can see in the socket manager we have our two attached nodes. So something I've noticed is when bringing this in from Blender, I'm not sure if this is the same for other programs, you just have to reset your size for your attach points. Otherwise it's going to come in as 100, 100, 100 for scale, and it's going to be pretty big. So if you just scale those down and then save that, you can mitigate that. So that's a great way to create some bolt points and or attach points for any kind of mesh that's static instead of bringing it in as a skeletal mesh. Anyway, I hope this helped, and I hope you have a great day.